Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best yoga mats that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Amazon Basics Exercise Mat. If you plan to use a yoga mat for more than just yoga, this one's extra thick and has the best cushioning for activities where you'll be on your back, like stretching or Pilates. It was also the lightest mat in our test. On the downside, it was bulky and testers said it wasn't easy to carry around, despite coming with a strap. Still, they said it also had pretty good support and traction. Designed to withstand everyday use, the Amazon Basics 1/2-inch yoga and exercise mat is made from durable foam that's both lightweight and strong. At number 4. Backslash Fit Smart Yoga Mat. This innovative mat comes with an Amazon Alexa command to talk you through your yoga routine and it rolls up on its own. There are snaps on the top and bottom that lock it into place, no curling edges, and when you're finished using it, just flip it over, click the snaps, and it quickly rolls up by itself. It also stays neatly rolled and stands on its own, making for easy storage. In our tests, it had decent cushioning, grip, and support, and testers loved the fun orange color. It comes with bonus yoga routines, powered by Women's Health, that you can hear using your smart speaker. It stays tightly rolled and stands on its own. No messy storage. At number 3. Manduca Pro Yoga Mat. This is the mat that a Rabari uses at home and calls her favorite mat ever. And she's not alone, it's a popular choice for strong yogis who want a firmer surface for stability instead of a foamy mat that feels more cushy. Not surprisingly, testers rated it lower for cushioning than other mats, but they all said it had good traction and didn't move on the floor. It's also latex-free, which is hard to find in high-end mats that are usually made of rubber. Our main complaint is that it's heavy compared to others and it wasn't easy for testers to carry. The quality and performance of Manduca mats and yoga accessories are still unmatched in the marketplace. They are still crafted using simple, enduring, natural, and whenever possible, renewable materials and a fine attention to detail. Manduca is a company built by and for yoga teachers and their students. At number 2. Jade Harmony Yoga Mat. You can find this one in yoga studios and all over the internet, with thousands of 5-star ratings from reviewers who swear by it. It's a no-frills rubber mat with a textured surface that our testers loved because it gripped well and didn't move on the floor. They also said it felt sturdy, though some said the rubber gave off a car tire smell at first. Plus, it rolls up nicely and isn't bulky. The brand also has a give-back program where they plant a tree for every mat sold. One thing to note is that you'll likely have to replace it over time. Users have told us that this mat starts to pill and flake after a while. From their tireless efforts, the Jade Yoga Harmony line was born, comfortable, non-slip, and all-natural. This is Jade Yoga's mantra, helping yogis find peace with their inner nature. At number 1. Yoga Design Lab Combo Mat. Hot yoga enthusiasts often use a special towel for grip as they sweat, but this unique mat has a yoga towel attached. Our panel loved the soft microfiber surface made from recycled water bottles, and the rubber mat underneath stayed put on the floor when they used it. Just keep in mind, to get the best grip, you'll need to wet it yourself if you won't be sweating a lot. This mat is machine washable and it laundered well in our evaluations, though it did take a while to fully dry. It was also nicely compact when rolled up and it comes with a carrying strap. At the beginning of your practice, lightly spraying water on the top surface of the mat will prevent sliding, if you have dry hands and feet. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.